I would absolutely recommend to my friends and family, and I have already actually recommended to a lot of my friends to join Whaley just because they care so much about their employees, and it's a really good community to be in.
But a trained technician is someone who has some HVAC experience, someone who has refrigeration experience, someone who has electrical experience on our side of the business, which means working on restaurant equipment.
This is a great company, you know. Like, to be honest with you, when I first started out here, I was dragging my feet to come because I have other options, you know. But when I started out here, and it's just been like a family, and it's great. I love it here. So if anybody else out there who's looking to be somewhere where they feel comfortable, then, you know, this is where you can grow. You know, that's what I like about this company.
I have not personally met another female in this industry, but I've heard good things about many technicians. It's becoming more popular that women are in this industry. And then they offer a lot of benefits and a lot of ways that you can further your career instead of just sitting in one place.
Over the years, then I went from being a tech in the field, then I went to kind of helping to kind of oversee field service, and I still do that. But you know, it's a whole lot less in the field at this point, and you know, more so in the office at this point, and you know, just helping out the techs from that aspect.
I feel like the company, we try to go after seasoned technicians. I recruit a lot through the military bases because I feel like veterans bring a lot to the table with the company.
I think, you know, number one, they have some experience. They're not shy. They've been around the equipment. They understand it. Some of these guys have gone back to college, right? They've been in the business, wanted to go back to get some of those certifications. So, you know, the experience piece for us is a big plus because they have it.
I feel as though that Whaley, we have the ties with all the factories, so we can send you to factory training. Then on top of that, we can also do a lot of in-house training, whether it be, you know, you can ride with another technician, that, you know, you can be on the job site, the hands-on of that, or you can be in our shop, you know, working on a piece of equipment in there. And there's always help around the corner, you know, and we always have lifelines as well, because just a phone call away, you can be talking to somebody that can help you through anything on that as well.
If you don't know it, you can count on somebody to call somebody and be like, hey, I'm at this unit here. It's giving me this error code. I've never seen it before. What do you know about it? You know, somebody in the field can literally help you out without you just sitting there and scratching your head all day. You know, and I can call Mick or call, you know, Joe and be like, hey Joe, this is not, you know, what do I do here? You know. And they literally help me out in a way that it's not going to stress me out, you know. So having that relationship with the bosses and co-workers kept me here. Well, safety is, as you can see, where is it? It's right here. It's our number one priority here in the company, and we really take that seriously. So we check on each other. We even have a buddy system here where certain people in the group, the bosses, like I think I'm in a group with Mick or Stephanie group, where when it was super hot in the heat, they will call you, you know, they'll check up on you and be like, hey, how are you doing out there? You know, you drinking enough water? You know, make sure you take a little more breaks often, you know, if you have to.
You know, when you get folks that are experienced, or you think about someone starting out, the one thing that I do talk about with this company, and I love it about this company, there's a work-life balance here, right? You know, people are going to work 40 hours. Right? Can they work more than 40 hours? Absolutely. Are they going to work 80 or 90 hours? No, because you got to have a life. You got to have a life outside this building, right? And I think our managers do a good job of allowing that, you know, to have these folks, hey, this is your work hours. These are your on-call hours, because there are some on-call. You know, most of our locations, it could be anywhere between 8 to 12 weeks before you're on call, which is very nice. You know, so someone's not on call every other weekend. So I think that's important. There's a big thing with this company, and it's the work-life balance.
So I would absolutely recommend, you know, Whaley as a great place to come, whether you already have past experience or if you're green, you have no experience.
Top two, number one, have to be the bosses. You know, the people that I work with, especially the people in the office, and the people out in the field. They're pretty much like family. You know, they treat each other with respect.
And it's a really good community to be in. Like, everyone here cares about each other, not just your branch manager, but the technician that you see on your way in and out of the office in the morning. Everybody cares for everybody.